Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a curved monitor, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the best curved monitors of 2023, dissecting their pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. All the links are down in the description, so be sure to check those out. Now let's jump right in and unravel the curve appeal, shall we? NZXT Canvas 32Q Curved. Sounds like a piece of modern art, doesn't it? But no, this isn't something you'll find hanging in a gallery. It's far more functional than that. NZXT's Canvas 32Q is the company's debutante at the Monitor Ball, and it's certainly dressed to impress. What grabs your attention right off the bat is its 1500R curvature combined with a 1440p resolution. Imagine, if you will, playing your favorite game on this bad boy. It's like being hugged by pixels. Now, if you're a gamer who counts milliseconds like a competitive swimmer counts strokes, you'll appreciate the 165 Hz refresh rate and low input lag on this beauty. Oh, and don't forget, whether you're Team AMD or Team NVIDIA, the Canvas 32Q has your back with both FreeSync Premium and G-Sync support. Mind you, it might not have the best color accuracy in the business, but it does cover the full sRGB color spectrum. So if you're a budget-conscious gamer who still wants to dip your toes into the curved monitor world, this NZXT creation might just be your new best friend. Next up, we have the Dell 27 Curved Gaming Monitor, kind of like the reliable sedan of the curved monitor world. This isn't the monitor that's going to show up in a suit made of gold, but it will get you where you need to go with money still left in your wallet. Sporting a 1080p resolution and 144 Hz refresh rate, this monitor understands that performance doesn't have to break the bank. We're talking G-Sync and FreeSync compatibility again, so whether you're in Camp Red or Camp Green, you're good to go. As for contrast, let's just say it's not a supermodel, but definitely not a wallflower either. Basically, what you'd expect for the price. The color reproduction is like that friend who always brings good vibes but doesn't overshadow anyone. It's balanced and natural. All in all, if you want a no-fuss, dependable option that still manages to tick all the right boxes, the Dell 27 Curved Gaming Monitor could be the trusty sidekick you've been searching for. Get ready for a luxurious cinematic experience straight from your desk with the Alienware 34 Curved QD-OLED gaming monitor. This is not just another monitor. This is a spaceship control center, a portal to other dimensions. For starters, this tech marvel features quantum dot-OLED technology, offering some of the best color coverage and accuracy you can find. So whether you're evading enemy spacecraft or color grading your latest video, you're getting the best of both worlds. It's an ultra-wide, but we're not talking accidentally ate all the cookies wide. This is gracefully, gently curved, wrapping around your field of vision like a visual hug. With a refresh rate slightly reduced from its award-winning predecessor, it comes in at a bit more wallet-friendly price without compromising on quality. It's FreeSync Premium Pro compatible, which means AMD GPU users, it's time to do a little happy dance. In short, if you're looking to join the OLED club without signing away your firstborn, the Alienware 34 Curved could be your golden ticket. And now, a moment for the magnum opus, the Corsair Xeneon Flex. This monitor doesn't just bend, it flexes, literally. With two handles extending from its sides, you can manually curve this beauty to an 800R curve or flatten it out, depending on your mood or task. Imagine that. One day it's your immersive gaming arena, and the next it's your productivity powerhouse. Now let's talk about its mouth-watering 240 Hz refresh rate and low input lag. Whether you're in a high-stakes FPS match or diving into some deep work, the Xeneon Flex won't let you down. It also supports both FreeSync Premium and NVIDIA G-Sync, covering all your adaptive sync needs. And with a resolution of 3440 x 1440, this monitor isn't just a pretty face. It's got brains and beauty. Sure, it's a premium product with a premium price tag, but think of it as an investment in your eyeballs' happiness. So if you've got the coin and you're looking for the creme de la creme of curved monitors, the Corsair Xeneon Flex is worthy of your attention. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G9. Saying its name almost feels like whispering the incantation of a wizard. Poof! Your gaming experience just became magical. This 49-inch wonder is not just a monitor, it's a statement piece, a jaw-dropper, and yes, perhaps even a conversation starter with your pizza delivery guy. It sports a 32:9 aspect ratio, meaning it's as wide as your dreams and ambitions. Perfect for those who want their flight sims or racing games to feel less like games and more like Well, reality. Now, you can't discuss the Odyssey OLED G9 without mentioning its OLED panel. This technology allows for near-perfect color accuracy and contrast. The monitor is also smart, and not just does your taxes smart. It's connected to Samsung's online gaming hub and hosts a variety of streaming apps, bringing a slice of smart TV functionality to your gaming station. In summary, if you're in the market for the epitome of immersive, high-end gaming experiences and are willing to splurge, the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 should be at the top of your list. We've reached the pinnacle, folks, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8. This monitor is like that student who aces every class, captains the football team, and still finds time to help out at the community center. It's doing everything and doing it exceedingly well. This beast features a 32-inch VA panel with mini LED lighting, boasting an astonishing contrast ratio of 25,000. 1. Yes, you heard that right. This monitor's contrast is off the charts. Now brace yourselves for this. A 1000R curve with a sizzling 240 Hz refresh rate at a 4K resolution. This monitor isn't just breaking barriers, it's shattering them. It offers excellent performance whether you're gaming or consuming HDR content, and it's also versatile with its color accuracy. While it carries a heavy MSRP, it's often on sale, which means you can score this marvel at a deal. So if you're looking to turn your setup into a gaming paradise without compromising on a single aspect, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8 has got your name written all over it. And there you have it, folks. Your definitive guide to the best curved monitors of 2023. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who appreciates a quality display, there's a curved monitor out there with your name on it. Check out the links in the description, and until next time, keep those pixels popping.